Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Richelin Argitare, and today I will going to represent our case, which is the robbery with homicide. So, the first is the general view. I conclude in the PowerPoint the four angles, which is the crime, where happened, or the overview or the view of which the crime happened in the room 308. So, next is the mid view. So as you can see, there are three angles of the body of the victim. So the three pictures are the different angles of the body of the victims where I gipicturean ako of the different angles. While the other picture is it includes that katong gikuha na ang body sa victims mao na to ang like shapes of the kanang like pattern sa usa ka victim nga gikuha na. And the next is the close up. So the close up, I include or concluded the four evidences, which is the first evidences is the slipper. So the one pair of slipper. The next is the jar or plastic container. The third is the cell phone. And the fourth is the knife. So mo na siya ang kanang mga um, close up picture nga nakuha na ho dito sa usa ka crime scene. So there are many strategies and there are many stories behind of that evidences of that close up pictures. Next is the extreme close up. So there are the same pictures in the extreme close up, which is the cotton buds where we put or mo to nga mong gigamit sa blood or stain sa usa ka victim, and then because of that close up amo siyang gi zoom, I mean ako siyang gi zoom to make sure nga the measures of the cotton buds is maklaro jud siya. So that is one of the examples of extreme close up. Leader is Police Executive Master Sergeant CJ Vertudaso. The members of the SOCO team is the photographer is Richelin Argitare. The first responder is PO2 Rex Dahan. The investigator is Police Captain Joel Escasenas. The sketcher is Edgar Suganov. The measurer is Ralph Anib. And the evidence custodian is Raiza Kaduyak. The suspect is J. Madangit or alias J. The victim is Ninia Ricones. And the witness is Raisa Kaduyak.